Did you know that food tastes much better when you grow your own at your home? During this hard period, why not growing our own food at home? It is the time sowing of okra, tomatoes, and cucurbits such as cucumber, bottle gourd, sponge gourd, and pumpkins, etc. So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Garden Stories. So today's video is really excited and special for me. As you know by the title, today's video is a full day of eating challenge from garden. So let's start the video. So, very good morning to all of you. I'm going to make a vegetable sandwich for myself. So, I'm collecting some green chilies here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Some tomatoes.
Leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste.
Capsicum. Onions.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
And now I'm going to add all the veggies into this chopper. So, let's do this.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I simply just added a layer of curd and veggies on 2 bread slices and sprinkled some black salt on it. So I'm going to grill it. So let's make it.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
So my breakfast is ready.
wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So it's 2 p.m. and lunchtime. So this is the first harvesting of bottle gourd in our garden. My mom have made this amazing ghiya dal sabji, so it's really looking delicious. So now I'm going to make rotis for me and my mom. Again capsicum, okra or lady finger, so my mom is helping me in chopping. So we have decided to make sambar rice for dinner. I have soaked tur dal in water for 15 minutes and now I'm going to pressure cook it. While dal gets cooked, we are going to cook mixed veggies. So we are going to add all the veggies here, onions and chilies. Now capsicum, bottle gourd, sponge gourd, brinjals and okra. So let's cook all the veggies together. So let's add tomatoes to it. So here we have to cook the veggies in imli ka ras.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste.
So our dinner is ready.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Garden Stories. Bye bye.